Hey guys, what is up? Mike here. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So in this video, I want to talk about the topic of not stopping the grind once you land your UX design job. Now, I just got an email from somebody that's been following me for a while, and this person actually sent me an amazing email, sort of documented from 2015 videos of mine on YouTube that inspired this person each way and kind of gave me the storyline. Long story short, was at an agency for a few months, got laid off, I believe, and then, if I read the story right, and then recently got a job from one of the videos where I said kind of sex sells. I touched on the fact that sex sells in a sense where put your eye candy up front, and this person did that, and then within a few weeks landed an interview. And so, yes, if you want to go there, sex does sell. So obviously, put all your eye candy up front. Blah blah blah. Tons of different, but that's not the point that of this video. I was like, that's an awesome story. And the one message to this person I said, and in fact, I was actually going to do this video prior to even opening this email. So it's kind of ironic that this email came in and it was along the lines of what I wanted to say to this person. And in this video is, yes, and this is what I said to this person. The next step is take time, enjoy the new job, take a few weeks. It's realistic to take several weeks once you land a new job. You've been grinding your butt off for months, weeks, years even, right? And you land a job. And the first thing you want to do is celebrate. You might send me an email if I had any influence to you landing a job, and I get that. It's an amazing thing. You should go out with your family and go celebrate, toast, and just enjoy that moment. Landing a job is the best feeling in the world. It is. It's just an amazing feeling. You get an offer and you've made it. You've grinded. You've done that thing. And you got the job. Go out there and have a nice meal, a nice dinner, and enjoy the celebration of reaching that goal. Realistically, you're going to take 6 weeks, maybe even 2 months to kind of get your schedule down and your feeling of being in that job. And you'll still be brand new. 2 months is still brand new. It'll take you 8 months, 6 months to really be comfy, maybe 4 months to really be comfy. But here's my thing to you. Here's my message to you. Once you land this job, don't stop. Don't stop the grind. Don't forget about your portfolio. Do not let the bonfire, which you created to land this job, you put logs on this fire and it started rising. This fire started rising. The minute you land a job, you look here, and that bonfire starts to simmer. And this happens to everyone. This happens to every UX designer. Or the minute we need a job, we look to this fire over here, this bonfire, and it's at a simmer, and we start adding logs to it. We get the fuel, we put the fuel on there, it starts to light up again, and we start adding logs to it. And those logs takes weeks and days, and sometimes months to even get your portfolio back up to par. What I am saying in this video to you is this: that bonfire was lit. You just landed a job. Continue to throw a log here and there on that fire. Do not forget about it. Do not forget about it. You don't have to go full-fledged and get a bunch of logs and throw it on there and keep that thing ablaze, but you cannot let it go to a simmer. Meaning you cannot let your portfolio go stale. You work too hard, and you have to push yourself to do this, because you're going to thank yourself 6 months, a year and a half, 2 years down the road, if the company goes in a different direction, if they make a switch and you just can't stand this boss, if the company decides to lay off a few folks, if you work in an agency, that happens a lot. If something comes up, if another opportunity, you've been there for 9 months, a year, and you've got recruited because somebody loved this new portfolio project that you put out there, and they're willing to pay you $15,000, $20,000 more, and it's a bigger brand of a company. Who knows? stay on that grind, stay on that grind, stay on that grind, stay on that grind. And when an opportunity knocks, you're gonna thank yourself for it. You'll thank me for it if you watch this video and you decided to you decided to stick with it. Trust me, I want you to. I love these emails. I love getting emails, people saying, hey, this one video you did kind of inspired me. You know, this one video on interviewing questions and things like that helped me out. I love that stuff. I love that stuff. I love helping people succeed and get to where they want to get to. You know, that's why I love doing these YouTube videos. I love being a UX design coach, if you will. I love teaching, and I love seeing emails like that. But the big thing is this: don't stop. Do not stop the grind. And here's the reality. The reality, like I said a few minutes ago, we all do it. We get a job and we meet new friends at this job. We have a huge project, and so we're grinding throughout the week. We come home, we have kids, family, dinners. You know, we don't have time. We're exhausted. We don't have time to continue to work on the portfolio, right? That's us. We're human. That's why so many people, when we have jobs, when we have a UX design job and things are going well, the company loves you, they just gave you a bonus and you don't have any worries at this moment. Your portfolio over here is just going stale. Recruiters are hitting you up. You're like, hey, I got a job. Leave me alone. People are hitting you up. Hey, I got a job. Leave me alone. But no. All right. I've been in this game for 20 years. I've been in this game for 20 years and I've let my thing go stale because I've never had to worry truthfully about a job once, you know, when I had one. But if I had taken this advice, and kept my portfolio up, I'd probably have 15, 20 amazing strong projects, like personal projects on my portfolio. 15 to 20 like hardcore, strong, in-depth portfolio projects that I could take to the bank at any moment. I could email out recruiters, hey, look at this. Look at this, look at this. But if I want to get back into the game, even me and my skills right now, I'm going to have to go and find some logs, and it's going to take me a few weeks. It's going to take me a month, take me 2 months to really get my portfolio up to par. I'm saying it now, yes, I'm actually going to be grinding on my portfolio, not grinding like, because I don't need it at this moment, but I'm taking my own advice and I'm getting my thing up to par, because you never know when things come about, an opportunity comes about. And you know, partially it's fun, and I love staying in the game. I love grinding. I love UX design. I love designing. And but I'm telling you, no matter what age you are, 50, 40, 30, in your early 20s, 19, you're a baby. But if wherever you are in your career, you got a job, get back on your grind. Do not stop the grind once you have the job. If you have a job and you're honest with yourself and you're like, hey man, I let my portfolio, you know, go a little bit, hit me up in the comments below. Let me know that you're about to get back on it, because I'm about to get back on mine too. Anyway guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this little nugget and I've inspired you a little bit to light that fire just a little bit again and get back on that grind. Let me know in the comments below. If you like things I talk about, hit that thumbs up. If you appreciate my videos, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video like this. And as always, if you are new to UX design and you want to learn more about me and learn about UX design, you can check out my site, ML UX Academy. I'll have a course there and a membership that you can take advantage of for 14 days free today and start improving your skills as a UX designer. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.